Whether you private label, co-pack, or produce your own line of over-the-counter medications, brand prescription, or generic drugs, BatchMaster ERP for Pharmaceuticals supports your unique manufacturing requirements in our off-the-shelf solution. In this short presentation, I will touch upon these critical business objectives that BatchMaster ERP for Pharmaceuticals supports, including maintaining master batch and batch manufacturing records, managing samples and formulation, scaling up production, including optimized gel production, reducing costs, ensuring quality and compliance, and bringing your products to market faster and cheaper. To meet federal regulations, you need to effectively document and associate all of your formula and production jobs, procedures and processes, transactions and journals in the master batch and batch manufacturing records. Within BatchMaster ERP, a complete life cycle history of your formulas and finished goods is electronically maintained in master batch records and batch manufacturing records respectively. All relevant transactions from product development through production, quality through shipping are captured and organized so that you can quickly generate accurate audit reports to avoid possible industry fines and penalties. Effectively managing samples will enable you to accelerate the process from concept to production. You can identify the requester and their specific product requirements, and then track the progress of formulas and products from R&D into acceptance into production. With samples management, you'll get a greater insight into customer demand and product trends, as well as improving your development processes. In pharmaceutical companies, many product developers spend their valuable time on tedious, error-prone manual calculations when adjusting formulas to meet specific physical and financial targets. With access to ingredient costs and physical properties such as potency, as well as expected labor costs, both fixed and dynamic, any out-of-tolerance conditions can quickly be identified so that you can easily adjust your intermediate or finished good formulas in order to meet your product formula targets. For many pharmaceutical manufacturers, their product developers spend time calculating the gel requirements for their finished goods, either for their own or for their contractor production lines. In BatchMaster ERP, there are predefined product types such as tablet, capsule, soft gel that allow you to define size, shape, color, thickness, and other physical characteristics for your products. To speed product development, intermediate products can be defined within the finished good product formula itself. And to assist in production calculations, the amount of gel required to produce the formula batch size, typically in thousands, is automatically calculated based upon serving sizes, batch sizes, active ingredient potencies, and other defined losses. Without an effective means to manage variable characteristics of your materials, labor, and equipment, you can expect errors and variations within your business processes. BatchMaster ERP dynamically manages many of the variabilities encountered in your operations, ranging from scheduled unavailable resources to unexpected material shortages. Variable ingredient properties, inventory characteristics, and resource capacities are all taken into consideration in various processes and can be automatically resolved. Now you can focus on process improvements rather than process adjustments. In your business, you must ensure that your corporate standards are being met in terms of your finished good characteristics, including sizes, shapes, colors, thicknesses, rows, cavities, and the physical packaging requirements as well. With BatchMaster ERP, your manufacturing operations can be continuously monitored so that any out-of-tolerance or non-conformance situations can be quickly resolved and actions taken to prevent future occurrences. BatchMaster ERP mandates the acknowledgement, capture, and validation of instructions and tests against specified vendor deliveries, order shipments, stored inventory, WIP, and production line equipment. And when a non-conformance situation occurs, you can perform a root cause analysis, revise your procedures, and properly disposition the affected goods based upon your defined CAPA procedures. To quickly meet the greater demand for your products, it's key to automate your batch and continuous flow processes. And you need all your processes to be aligned in order for your production processes to be scalable. BatchMaster ERP enables you to establish accountable, reliable, and predictable processes so that your business can quickly scale up production. Planning and scheduling features ensure that the right product is produced at the right time and that the required raw materials will be available to support this production. Dynamic formula adjustments, optimized batch jobs, sizing, linking, and scheduling, and auto inventory allocation and backflushing all work together to streamline your production, reducing manual interventions as well as reducing costs and risks. And by establishing a comprehensive quality program, you can improve your current processes and keep production line equipment settings at their optimal settings in order to meet increases in demand. To reduce costs, you need better visibility to granular manufacturing data that allows you to quickly adjust formulas, production jobs, schedules, and other resources and processes. BatchMaster ERP reduces your paperwork, increases user productivity, and streamlines your operations. You can manage costs up front during product development. You can reduce the cost of excessive labor and on-hand inventory, as well as the costs associated to excessive equipment clean-downs and changeovers. You can negotiate better bulk order purchases. And with a comprehensive QA and QC program, you can minimize the risk of customer returns and industry fines. Keeping compliant with ever more stringent retailer requirements and federal regulations is becoming more challenging these days. BatchMaster ERP keeps you compliant in terms of product labeling, lot traceability and safety reporting, transactional audit reports, and shipping documentation. You have the ability to quickly ensure formula properties are met, as well as track and trace suspect products in minutes, not days. And to protect the health and safety of your consumers, deviation and adverse event reporting, nonconformance and CAPA management features all work together to quickly identify and correct any health and safety related issues to prevent their reoccurrence. To retain current customers and gain new ones, as well as retain your capital monies for future investments, it's imperative that you can bring your products to market faster and cheaper. All of the BatchMaster ERP features highlighted in this overview presentation work together to enable you to quickly grow your business while reducing costs. And with customizable role-based screens, you get the accurate real-time metrics you need to make better, more informed decisions faster. BatchMaster ERP is a pre-configured solution for your industry, which can be seamlessly integrated to your existing financial solution or be deployed as a total financial and manufacturing solution. I trust this short introduction gave you an understanding of just a few of the benefits that can be recognized running BatchMaster ERP for pharmaceuticals. To learn more about our solution, I invite you to download our industry brochure and watch one of our on-demand webinars. Our brochure and webinar links can be found on the right panel of this page. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and I thank you for your attention.